Take a ride in the 2015 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: xenon headlights, navigation system, traction control, all-wheel drive, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, remote power door locks, heated steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.